Hello my sisters. Today I want to give my sisters a dress. Middle age ha. Well, this one is fortunately made of chiffon fabric. It's soft if you can sew it with silk or a bucket. This model will have a puffy hand. Above and below, there will be a sewing section. And she's a round boat neck. There will be a copy. The boat is here and it's a little bit on the chest. This shirt doesn't have a part. So this is the model. It will have a split behind the drop so I can plant my head. Now let's design this template together. If you like this style, remember to like it. Support for the channel. Thank you. And this is the size chart I used to draw this model. Each of my sisters will have a number. Horizontal shoulder, neck, chest, waist, buttocks, different waist length. You will measure for yourself. So we get the sequence. This black number you replace the formula I will share right here. Let me get the Arabic according to my own measurements. Then the first step. Then you will give me the length of the shirt. I'll take the length of the shirt. I'll take 57 here. I built a perpendicular line across. I'll take it shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder divided by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took 16. Then I'll lower my shoulders to 4. If you take her, divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I took in 6, I connected in. Then you will lower your breasts and you will be your breasts. Divide by 5 and you add by 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is 18. I took it down. It starts on the road. I took it down to 18. Stop perpendicular across. And then across the chest, you tear the chest divided by 4. Sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. That's 22. Then you'll take down the lower part. Here, you take 35. I've built a perpendicular line across. You take the waist here. That's equal to waist divided by 4 without so add 1. 64 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 17. I'll give you 17 hectares. Give me a ride is 17. Then you'll have your S down. Then we divide the butt by 4. U plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I took a line that was 21. And then I'm going to put these 3 positions together. Give me 2 inches for this part. I'll draw the front part. If you lay your clothes on the back, you will cross a path. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to build a perpendicular line down. Give me 2. Split and half again. Then you will draw the armpit ring. And this shirt is a round boat neck. So here I am is badung. Then you take it down. Give me 7. We will connect. Make a circle for the neck. Then here you will get a piece. If you want to cut and glue this part, you will cut and glue it. Take care of yourself. So we're done with the body first. But before that, you have to pay attention. Is that it's going to have a little bit more of a drawdown. I'll show you this part later, after I finish painting the back. Now I'm going to draw the body from the shoulder line. Before you go, give me 2 inches. I drew the armpit line here as 7 cups. Then you come in and let me be 1 and let me be 1. Then you'll draw me an ancient line. That old line here you down is ba. So now we're going to put the ruler in. We'll cut the neck. Back body follow the red line. And you cut. Here's the back body. Follow the red line. The body later compared to the body before. Then you'll reduce me to 1 centimeter of gasoline. This will be the back of the body. This body will be the back. In the future, if you cut the drop in the back here, you can take down 7 gasoline. This part you back up is 0.5. Then this part, you're going to go along the water here and we're going to push the button
wide.
You will be able to plant your head. Then here we multiply by 1. Because this is the fabric, twice as much we get the back. Now to the front body. If you cut the body, you will cut the neck. Follow the path of the black front body. Let's remove the extra armpit. And the back side. Before your ass, you will less than 5 stem SAO a gasoline, and this SAO body this line. We will cut the line, it's a straight line. Then we get the body first. And the back here. Like I said before, my sisters. When I am done, I will adjust. For the part 2. Collapse of the back body. First, let me get a way out. Here, you'll cut me a piece of trigonometry. I put it here. Paste it in. Put them in this position for me. And then after you put it in, wait a minute. I'll give you a straight line from here. And you're going to give me the magnitude of the line. Give me 6 gas. Then is. After I painted, I got the 6 gas line. This way you can come in here for me. According to this body. When I cut above, on paper Asian on cloth, you will connect this part of the body. You guys straight up. Where it's missing, I'll put more paper. Then you'll cut me a piece like this. And then after the cut, this is the neck you will cut off. And here it's going to be a straight piece like this. When you are lucky, we will be able to pull the plug on this part. with drawing in, and then you put the old part in. Then we'll get a shirt that looks like the picture. And this is going to be the front. We're moving the double way back here. This is the front body. This previous body is also a cos for one. This is the neck splint. Now we're going to draw for the sleeve. If you want to draw the sleeve, you will measure me in the armpit. This is what I measured 20. Use the back cover. It's measured at 2. And now I'm going to cut the sleeve. First, you'll get me the lower chest. Chest reduction is equal to chest divided by 10 sisters plus 5. 80 to 10 plus for the year you will be. 13 from top to bottom is 13. Let's make a perpendicular line up. Then you take the breasts, the armpits are 20. Plus armpit body back is 21. That's equal to for 1. You divide 2 by 20.5. Then you'll get it. It's 20.5 here. Divided in half. Then I'll go down 1 and I'll go up 2. Then we'll get the hand. If you have the wrists here, you will get 14 for me. Ha! Then you reduce this to 5 glasses for me. This part of you is 1. Then we are this hand normal hand. But this dress is going to be the hand. There is a sticky button, so this part I'm going to put it up. Head up, head down, give me for ha. You may retract this. Here we will get the same hand as the picture. Then you'll get the same hand as the picture. Front hand and back hand. This hand will be the first. This hand is the back, so you're going to connect that. Cut this part down. Give me some gas. Then we get to choose a whole set of Arabic. The front and back of this shirt. This is a sleeve. This is a model. Body behind. This is the previous model. Here are the front and back sleeves, ladies. Then, if you look here, if there is a part of it, you will comment below. I will see and respond to comments when I see them. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.